Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the files you need. You don't need to install anything. Open Preview, double-click a PDF or image, and make sure the sidebar is visible. Once done, enable thumbnails or contact sheets so you can jump between pages quickly. You should also confirm file permissions and save a copy now, because edits overwrite originals. These first steps get you into the app fast and set up a safe workspace where you can move through documents without losing data. You'll now perform the core edits. Open the markup toolbar to highlight, add text boxes, draw, and insert signatures. Use the selection and text tools deliberately because precise placement matters for clarity. To rearrange pages, drag thumbnails in the sidebar, drop where you want or delete extras. For images, crop, rotate, and use adjust color to fix exposure or contrast. These adjustments change appearance but not file structure. Make sure to preview changes before saving so your output matches expectations. You finish by saving or exporting the file in the format you need. Choose Export to make a new copy without overwriting. Once done, pick the correct export settings, PDF for documents, JPEG or PNG for images, and use the quartz filter to reduce file size when necessary. If a tool or the markup bar disappears, quit Preview and reopen the file, and make sure Mac OS is up to date. If problems persist, restart your Mac. This clears temporary glitches and usually restores normal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.